Hi everyone, it's Shell here from Designs by Shell. Thanks for joining me today. If you're new to my channel, welcome and thanks for subscribing, and hope you get some inspiration from my videos here. Today I'm sharing with you, it's more of a show and tell today. I'll call it creative cards. I've got 4 different cards that I've done with variations on each one. Just using different papers, different die cuts, just different ways of decorating them. So I'm going to share those with you. So the first one I'm going to show you is this card here I've done. These are all A2 card bases. Most of them I think are the 110-pound paper that I've used to cut them out. And so this one here is I've used this little mason jar stamp. It's really cute. It's got a little heart on there, and you could come up with lots of ideas to use this. And so for this one I did, I stamped the jar on just a piece of white cardstock. I embossed it with silver embossing powder. I stamped on some pink kind of daisy flowers sort of coming out the top there, and they had green little stems on them there. So pink and green for that. And then I put a stamp on there that says, "Wishing you the happiest birthday ever." And I put that on a green base, and then put that on the white cardstock. And then I just embellished it with some little green and yellow of those little acrylic dots and a cute little butterfly. So I've done 2 like that, and I just left these blank inside as well. Here's the second one. These 2 are actually pretty much the same. So that's the first one. Then I've done this one here. Now these ones I've used pattern paper for the background, a floral kind of mauve and green. There's pretty flowers on there. Then I've used my label dies, and the inset there is in kind of a pink glitter paper, and the frame around it is a white embossed paper, and I've used some stickle to dress that up. I stamped on there, "Happy birthday, my friend." And yeah, so that's what that looks like. I mean, you could do any stamp on there you want, any message that you want. It's just basically the idea of the card. And here's the second one. So a little bit different paper along the same lines with the embossed frame around. The inset is green, and use some stickle on there as well. And it says, "Happy birthday, my friend," again. So just some fun ideas. And here's the third one I created here. This one is kind of a vintagey paper, I think. It's got some pink roses, some gold roses on there, blue leaves, so sort of different, but really pretty paper. Then I've used my rectangle dies for this one. So there's a larger one in the pattern paper, and then I've layered a couple different sizes on there, one in the pattern paper again, and then a small little rectangle on there where I stamped "Happy Birthday" and embossed that with some silver embossing powder, and just kind of added some gold rhinestones on there to dress it up. Okay, and here's the second one. I just realized I didn't have my light on, so I stopped to turn that on. And anyways, here's the second one I've done in that paper, and I've layered the rectangle dies on there as well. These ones have the dots on them, on the edges of them. This gives it a nice accent. I just added some little extra embellishments of paper that I cut with my Victorian scissors or fancy scissors. Stamped "Happy Birthday" on there, added a cute little gold rhinestone just for an accent. I think that turned out really cute. So there's that one. And then what else do I have here? I was going to show you these, this is what I've been using just lately. I got these scallop dies, and I've been having lots of fun cutting these out. So there's all different sizes, as you can see, from a large to a fairly small one. And here's some that I've cut out. I like the versatility of these, and so you'll probably be seeing these in lots of my card making soon too. Different sizes. And so for this card, I did use the scalloped shapes here. So I've started with the A2 card base, like I said, and then I've used some pretty vintage paper again on this one. It's with the pink, more pinks in it, and a little bird with the flowers on there. And then for this one, I added some of those gold photo corners, just to 2 of the corners. I just thought that was kind of pretty. And those are kind of neat too. If you have, you can get those at the dollar store that you use for kind of embellishing your photos, I guess, or keeping the corners from bending. So it's kind of a fun idea to play with. And then I layered those scallops on there and stamped "Hoping Your Birthday is an Event to Remember." And then I just added a little tiny rhinestone on there as well. So that was that one. And then I did a second one, pretty much similar, except the color of the scallop image or die cut that I used, sorry, is different on that one. So that's what that looks like. So I hope you feel inspired and you get some ideas from these cards, and I had fun creating them, and I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.